Your team are the face of your organization. So make sure you select, motivate, and train them accordingly. So what qualities does a team need to have? They need to be trained, be engaging, have the right attitude, and always be motivated. Spend time with the team and know exactly what is expected of them. And more importantly, they are trained to deliver them. Have staff at the stand that are outgoing and engaging. Otherwise, visitors will pass you by. It's no good having spent money on the stand to attract visitors, yet when they come to the stand, the staff are quiet and disengaging. Finding the right prospects will require a certain attitude when talking to the visitors. Have meaningful conversations and also have a very positive mindset when talking to them. Don't try to sell, but rather understand what the organization is all about and what they are looking for. And don't get disheartened if they are not interested in your products or services. Expos are very long days, from the time you set up to the time you finish. Stay focused, have plenty of fluids, and organize refreshment breaks with the team. Remember, you may get a client later on in the day, so it's important to stay focused and motivated to get that ROI. Having the right team, one that is fully trained with the right energy, passion and focus, will make all the difference when it comes to attracting and engaging with the visitors and ultimately generating the ROI. Our next session will still be focused on the second P, people, and we'll cover the different elements of staff training.